Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Studies Zoology Education. Today in this video, we will discuss about that human blood groups, multiple alleles. So, multiple alleles, it is also most important for long questions. So, let us discuss that topic. So, before that, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. So, let us discuss the multiple alleles. So, it is also second year zoology from the genetics lesson, so most important. So, multiple alleles means actually the gene has the has the two alternative forms. The two alternative forms is called the alleles. So, it is located on the same locus of homologous chromosomes. So, multiple alleles. So, alleles means actual normally a gene has two alternative forms called alleles. Two alternative forms is called the alleles. So, these alleles located same locus of homologous chromosomes, a pair of homologous chromosomes, locus of a pair of homologous chromosomes. Okay, so this is the first of all, normally a gene has the two alternative forms na. So these two alternative forms alleles. So these alleles located on the same locus of a pair of homologous chromosomes. So here the a pair of homologous chromosomes. Understand? So two alleles form the three genotypes in diploid organism. Okay, so three genotypes apply. So next one, and sometimes, but sometimes a gene have more than two alleles on same locus of homologous chromosomes. It's called as multiple alleles. Sometimes a gene have more than two alleles. More than two alleles considered as a multiple. So there is a multiple alleles, and these alleles also located on the same locus of homologous chromosome. What is here homologous chromosome? For example, it is a chromosome. Same homologous chromosome, a pair of the same homologous chromosomes. It located at the same locus. This here location same locus here like this. It is known as same place, homologous chromosome. So here the one pair of the homologous. So here the two alternate forms, but here the two alternate forms is more than two alternate forms. So that is considered as multiple allelism. It located on the a pair of the homologous chromosomes, a pair of locus of pair of homologous chromosome is called the multiple alleles. Same homologous. Heterologous means different here, different places. See, it is same places. So that is considered as here place and here place. It is homologous. Heterologous means different places. For example, it is here one, here one. Okay, so it is hetero places. It means not same locus. Heterologous, it means not same locus. Locus means place. So homologous chromosomes. Okay, sorry. Understood. So this is the word homologous chromosomes. right, multiple alleles. So these multiple alleles not seen in the diploid organisms. It can observe in the where? Sorry. So it can observe in the population. It not observed in diploid organisms. Okay, no, it is observed in the not observed in the diploid organisms. It can seen in only in population called multiple allelism. Okay, it can seen in the what? Not observed in the single individuals or diploid organisms. It can observe in the population total. So total multiple alleles not observed in the single individuals. It means not observed in the single diploid. Okay, not observed in the single diploid organism. It can observe in that total population of that specific organism. Okay, it is called the multiple allelism. So number of genotypes of multiple alleles expression by n into n plus 1 by 2 here. So here is equal to n is equal to what? Number of alleles. So the good example for multiple alleles what here? The good example, best example, multiple alleles in man. What here? Blood groups. So blood groups are the what? ABO blood types. ABO blood types are the good example for multiple alleles in man. So once again, what is their multiple? Actual one gene has the what? Two alternative forms. So the two alternative forms is called alleles. But sometimes it more than two alleles is called the what? Multiple alleles. So these alleles are located on the same place or the same locus of the homologous chromosome. So these multiple alleles also present on the same locus of the pair of the homologous chromosomes, and it can not seen in the single individual. It can observe in that population. So here the number of the genotypes of the multiple alleles by expression one equation like here n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is a what? Is equal to number of alleles. So n place is a what? 2. 2 alleles is a what? Genotypes. So here means here 2 alleles now it can form the how many genotypes? 3 genotypes. For example here 2, when is the 2? Here 2 plus 1 plus means 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 by 2. 2 by 6 means 3 ones. So 3 genotypes. So let's discuss the human blood groups. Continuation. Types ABO, blood types. So ABO blood types. ABO blood group system, ABO blood group system proposed by Carl Landsteiner. For his work, he awarded the Nobel Prize in 1901. So Landsteiner, for his work, he awarded by Nobel Prize. Okay. So here the what? How many blood groups here? Total A, B, AB and O blood groups. Blood groups, blood group types characterized by the presence and absence of antigens on RBC, on plasma membrane of RBC. So here the ABO blood types, you can categorize it. AB and O blood groups. 4 na. So it is characterized by the what? How can it is the A group, B group? How can we can identify here the presence and absence of the blood group? So you can find out that particular blood group. So here presence and which ones? Presence and absence of antigens on the plasma membrane of the RBC. So actual antigens are carbohydrates. It bond to lipid molecules and protruding from membrane of RBC, red blood cells. Okay, so these are the antigens, A blood. So antigens are total how many antigens? 2 antigens. Antigen A and antigen B. Where is present? Present on RBC membranes. Present on the membrane of RBC. So antigen, 2 antigens na. Antigens also call isoagglutinogens. Why? Because it causes agglutination. It causes the what? Agglutination in incompatible blood transfusion. So it can causes to the what? Blood clump or blood agglutination. Okay. So it is a what? Antigens. So let us discuss the what? This system, ABO blood typing system proposed by the Karl Landsteiner, and for his work he is also awarded by the Nobel Prize in 1901. And also here ABO, AB, AB and O, 4 blood types na. So how can it is categorized? By the presence and absence of the antigens. So these antigens are present on the where? Membrane of the RBC. These are the carbohydrates and it bond to the lipid molecule and protruding from the membrane of the RBC. It is the outside, located outside like that one, on the membrane of the RBC, and also called the what? Agglutinogens. Why? Because it causes to the what? Agglutination. When it causes agglutination in incompatible blood transfusion. For example, at the blood transfusion means giving the blood to the one person to other person. Na? So when it give the blood here? When the matching, if the not matching the blood group, that causes to the what? Agglutination. So in that agglutination, main cause is the what? antigens also. So these antigens is causes to the agglutination in incompatible blood transfusion. Okay, now so this is the known as isoagglutinogens. So antigens, two antigens, antigen A and antigen B. So right, next one also called the isoagglutinogens. Okay, so let what here, A blood. So A person, so A blood group, A blood type, it contain the what, antigen A, okay, anti B antibody present. So antigen present on where? On RBC membrane, here in plasma, same action. So next one, B blood type, B blood type, here it is what, antigen B on where, RBC, anti A antibodies in plasma. Okay, right, next one, AB blood type, antigen A and B, okay, no antibodies, in plasma. Next, O blood type, so O blood is contain the what, not contain any antigens, not contains, not contains the no antibodies, no antigens, on RBC. Okay, and here anti A and B antibodies in plasma. So two types here, antibodies present, okay, A blood type contain antigen on RBC and antigen A and B plasma, B antigen B anti A antibodies present. Okay, now so this is the what here one. Okay, now like this. Okay, so this is the what, anti A blood type is contain the what, antigen A and anti B antibodies, B blood type antigen B antibody A, AB blood type antigen A and B present, no antibodies, and O blood is contain the what, no antigens on RBC and is present. So here just let discuss the what particular here, for example here present. So this is the, for example, RBC, it is a RBC, it is also RBC, for example, and here just a minute, it is also RBC, and here is RBC. Okay, for example here, so here the what, antibodies, this is the antigens, these are the antigens. Okay, sorry, next one, This is the what it is one type of the antigens. Okay. So this is okay. So for example here, so it is the RBC. Okay, it is a blue color na, antigen A, antigen A antigen. It is also RBC. Here which ones? B antigen. Okay, it is also RBC. Here is contained the what? Two types of the antigen, A antigen and B antigen. So in this RBC is contained, it is the RBC. RBC membrane not have no antigens. Here no antigens. Okay, this group is the what here? O group. It is a which group? Antibodies. So let us discuss the what here? Antibodies. Antibodies. Okay. Here so here which antibodies present? A, B antibodies. So B antigen, B antibodies. It is the what? B antibodies. So B antibody. This one is the what? A antibody. Sorry, it not have the antibody. Good. It not have the any antibodies. Here is contained. Here is contained the what? Two types of the antigens. Okay, so this is the A and B antibodies. Okay, understood. So this is the RBC. So A antigen A is present on the where? RBC. A antigen. It means the what? Which group? This one? A blood group. A blood type. Okay, it is a which type? B blood type. B blood 2 group. Okay, it is a which group? A blood group. It is a which group? AB blood group. It is a which group? O blood group. O blood group. Understood. So what is A blood type? Antigen A present on RBC. Here RBC, it is a RBC. It is a what? RBC. So for example, A person, for example, my group is the what? A blood group, for example. So my group is the what? A blood group na. So on my RBCs contain the what? This type of the antigens, like that man. For example, other person B antigen means on that person RBC contain the this type of the. For example, other person AB, in that person have the on RBC contain the two types of the antigen, A antigen and B antigen. For example, another person no antigens on the RBC. Okay, so this is the blood antigens and so let's discuss the antibodies. Okay, so right. Bernstein scientist discovered these phenotypes were inherited by the interaction of three autosomal alleles responsible alleles of the gene what here IA, IB, IO of alleles gene of I, so which present on ninth chromosome. So it is discovered that gene, I gene. So these I gene is the what may respond three alleles, that is the three alleles, the what IA, IB and O. It is responsible for that phenotypes of the blood groups. For example, A blood group, B blood groups, and here antibodies. So IE antibodies antibodies also called isoagglutinins. So it is also causes the what agglutination, when the agglutation with the antigens. Okay, now when these antibodies is the agglutation with the antibodies, so then it causes to the what clumps. So also called the what agglutination. So IA, IB and IB responsible for the production of antigen A and B. Okay, antigen A and antigen B. Right. So A blood type is contained the what IA, I. Okay. So IA, IB are responsible for the production of the antigen A, antigen B. IA and B dominant on IO, and IA and IB both are codominants. So for example, here IA is equal to IB like this. So here the what IA, IB is a what both are expressed. Okay, now so even the presence of the O, it not expressed as a O blood group. Okay, now let's see how it is discuss. So for example, A blood type. Okay, now what are the genotypes here? Genotypes IA and here B blood type. What are the genotypes here? And here, and AB blood type. Here. Okay, and next O blood type. This one. Here you can observe here IA is a what? Okay, A group, but here IA present, IO is present, but we are expressed what which group here? A group. It means the A is the dominate on the here, but here not is considered as a AO blood group, not is considered as a BO blood. Okay, now so even the presence of the O here not is considered as a BO, only B here expressed dot B. Here the what AB bloods here presents A and B, both are expressed here what AB blood. So here the what codominance, equal priority here. I and B is the what equal priority, but both are dominant on the way I. So this is the blood alleles. Okay, now is the most important one. And you can what here you can draw the also box also one. So the one side is the what blood type, antigens and antibodies, okay now, and tolerate, and which can give the blood to the which person, okay now, exist, which can give the transfusion, the suitable transfusion, okay now. For example, a person, it can give the blood to A and AB. This indicates, okay na, okay na, transfusion, blood transfusion, suitable blood transfusion, okay na. A person receives, it can receive the blood, okay, A and O, it can transfer, receiving, it is a donating or receiving. B blood, here B, AB, okay now. Next one, for example here O, next AB, it give the blood AB only, okay now. AB receiving, A, B, AB and O, O only, and here sorry donate na, A, B, AB, O, here O only, okay, understood here. What is this here, this diagram? Just a minute. Okay na, it can tolerate it. Tolerated means receiving. Okay na. So for example, my blood is a blood group. For not A but example. So here A blood group. So I am receiving the blood from the which blood groups here? A and O. So I can donate the which type of the bloods? Transfusion. I will give the blood to the which person? A group and AB group, okay na. So suitable transfusion here, A and AB, okay na. And receiving, okay, can it tolerated suitable, A person, and B here, B it can give the blood, or B person donate the which B donated, okay, as well, AB, and AB it can donate the blood to which ones? AB only. O it can donate the what? A, B and AB and O. So this arrow mark, receiving, A person donating, A person receiving. A person donating means blood transfusion, blood అనేది ఇవ్వడం వేరే వాళ్ళకి. సో బ్లడ్ తీసుకోవడం లేనా either. A is the what? Receiving blood from the which groups here? A and O, B and O, AB is, so that's why here you can find out here what, okay, and here find out here donating. So O is the word donating all, so that's O is considered as a word universal donor. AB is the word receiving from the other, universal acceptor, okay, receiving. So O is the, this is the multiple blood alleles, okay. And let's I will, in next video I will upload the next topic. So before that please subscribe my channel and like and share it. In further లో ఇంకా మంచి వీడియోస్ తోటి మంచి టాపిక్స్ తోటి మీకు ముందుకు వస్తాను, బట్ కొద్దిగా షేర్ చేయండి, ఫ్రీగా మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి. సో జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సమ్ హెల్ప్ ఇస్ ద వాట్ హియర్, జస్ట్ పుట్ ద bell, it means the bell button, and here please subscribe my channel, like and share it, okay. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.